Here we are today, over the River Wansbeck in Ashington. See how the bulrushes are getting a good hammering with the winds we've had the past few weeks, but no doubt they'll be flourishing again in the summer. You can also see a lot of the debris of trees and that what's been washed down the river due to these high winds what we've had. And here we have a male mallard duck. And he has a coat. You see the beads of water on his feathers. And there's a teal duck. You can still see the debris floating about in the water. And there's a young water hen, or a moor hen as they're called. Here we have a cormorant. Cormorants, as soon as there's a little bit of sunshine comes out or a little breeze, they spread their wings out to dry them out in the sun, and the bit breeze dries them. And that's a black-headed gull. Here we have a sandpiper or a common red shank lodging about in the water there. Well, this is the end of this little video. Thanks for watching. And I might make another one soon as the weather gets a bit better. Bye bye.